So guys, we're gonna show you introducing Razer Blade 15 versus Macbook Pro with 5 inches laptop. This is beast laptop, amazing performing laptop. And so to start this video, for firstly we talk about platform, processor, GPU, RAM, and its GPU, processor, graphic card, all of things. So firstly start are for Razer is i7 8th generation, and M4 MacBook is i7 5th generation. This is very good, and Core i9 Extreme chipset R is equal 6 hexa core 2.2 gigahertz, and M4 4 core quad core 2.0 gigahertz. This is amazing. Our Razer has 16 GB and MacBook has 8 GB. This is very great with LDDR4 and DDR3. So Razer is faster than, and GPU GTX NVIDIA 1070 Max Q. This is latest GPU graphic card by launching NVIDIA, and MacBook use 1040 Ti Quadro. This is best ever hard, graphic card, older than, but Razer Intel use IDUS 640 GPU and Intel IDUS 645 MacBook. This is amazing MacBook, but we talk secondly camera, price, design, and battery. This is iconic metallic design by Razer, and MacBook Pro is wide Asian and amazing design, but Razer battery is expandable, more than talk time and more than standby by MacBook. And rupees is MacBook is very high but Razer is low, but Razer performance is higher than MacBook. And so next we talk about the camera. 8 megapixel camera front of Razer and M5 megapixel. This is best ever company to the point of view camera. Amazing result by Optic. Razer is the best laptop. This is amazing performance, amazing look, with amazing slimmest laptop in the world's slimmest laptop. So like this video, subscribe, and thanks for watching. In this video has बस इतना ही, so सब्सक्राइब कर देना प्लीज़.